In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Android phone virus. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. And the cool thing is you can do it on literally any phone you have, whether you're on like a Samsung or any Android device. So what you want to go ahead and do is go over to your Play Store. You want to type in antivirus and then download Malwarebytes Mobile Security. In my opinion, they're the best to do it. So all you want to do is go ahead and download that. It is free as well. There is a paid version, but you don't need that. And then all you want to do is once you log in and everything, go ahead and press scan now. So what you have to do is give it permission for file access, because obviously it's going to be going through your files. And you also want to give it permission to run in the background so it can work as an antivirus. So maybe you accidentally like download something that maybe you shouldn't have. It's going to quarantine that instantly, which is obviously going to be very beneficial to you. And yeah, literally that's all you want to go ahead and do. And then just go ahead and wait for this to finish. And as you can see, it says no threats detected for me. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through.